Hello everyone, welcome to my crazy channel. Today is the first video for me at YouTube. At my channel Mukrizu. At this channel we're gonna try to give it to you the best stocks that I'm actually bought it, and the best stocks that you can earn money from them if you like the stock market, and if you like to earn more money, extra money next to your job, or like if you like this job to be like your full time. I will try my best to give it to you the best stocks that you can trading and get more money on it. I'm a student, so and I like the stock market, so I say that to myself, like, let's try to make a YouTube channel to help everyone to get the best stocks, the best way to get more money. So let's get started today with the for my opinion, that is the best companies that paying dividend. If you know what is dividend, and if you're interested to like get more money monthly, instead of what you trade, what is the stock market is like. You know what I'm saying? Like the dividend every year you're gonna get like a cash free. There's money that outside the dividend, outside the stock. So let's get started with one of my favorite companies, which energy transfer, which is ET. This company is for the gas transfer. Yes, I know most of us heard about it when it be dropped at the 1 year, when it be coronavirus. Remember, it was like 12. But now it's 7, it keep return back, and now they pay a lot of dividend, like we talk about 14.74%. That means every $100 you bought at the stock market, at this stock, you're gonna get $14.74. Imagine if you bought like $1,000, you're gonna get $147 every year from this stock. That's not include the stock market. What you get from the stock market from the trading. So look about it. I'm actually like, for myself, I bought it, and look what happened. I bought like $200. I get $20. At the first I start from like $30, and like keep moving, keep giving me earnings, and like I didn't expect that it's gonna go up like that. But yeah, I'm trying to put more money on it. It's actually a good stock to if you like the dividends, if you like to like invest on a market that's like it's too huge, and like just wait for it. I believe in this company. Talk about average $24 million each week. So yeah, I believe in this one. There's a website if you would like to like understand more about it. It's actually a good company. Let's talk about the dividend. They pay dividend from 2018. I think show more. Yeah, there's a lot. Forget it. Okay, so from 2018 they pay 0.3 at every single stock. You get 0.3 every single stock quarter. That's every 4 months. You get like $0.3 cash. But they come at November 5th and make it 0.15, which is why, because it keep moving up. The company keep moving up. You see, that's from it's keep moving up. It's going like $1. Like we're talking about 15% or 16%. They're going from 16% from 5 to 7 at the 3 months. That's what they cut it to 15 cents. But we talk about one stock. Well, one share. Imagine that you have more than one share. Like I have 29. Imagine that you have 100. So yeah, That's the first video. If you would like to say what you think about this company, let us know at the comment, and have a good day.